garage in the background. Today we're going to be fitting a vise, and also the gauge in my car has broken. Not broken, but it's just, well, broken, yeah, it's not working. The temperature gauge that I fitted a while ago, so we're going to try and fix that. It might be a fuse, but obviously all the fuses are here, which I stupidly left all here. But yeah, I'm also going to give you sort of like a cinematic garage tour. I mean, I know there's nothing in it at the moment, but it'll still hopefully make a good video. So yeah, let's get right into it. So as you probably saw in that time lapse, I got both of those two in apart from that back one because the back hole is smaller than the other two for some reason. For now there's just 2 bolts in, which, I mean, it's solid, it just rattles the whole bench. But obviously I'm going to need to get a thinner bolt for the back, because for some reason that's smaller, unless I just get that drilled out bigger. Now I'm going to move on to trying to fix the problem with the gauge in that. Yeah, I'm probably just going to back the car up a bit, I don't know, and see what I can do. Basically the gauge I'm talking about is this one that I custom did myself, cut the air vent out and everything, but it doesn't turn on anymore. It used to turn on, it then flickered for a while, and now it just won't turn on at all, so I don't know. People have been saying it could have a bad ground. There's loads of different options that people have been saying pretty much, so I don't really know what to do. It could be a bad ground, it could be a bad fuse. So I'm just going to take the side off and have a look what's there.
On bait for the legs, say something. Never tell a pack that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch move, make your motherfucking head split. Cost to the loss, never really gon' pay shit. Tell me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the play, no fate. Hands to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fans to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I prance to the damn arcade. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no key. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. Play with the cape when I run along back. Change when I say that I stay with the Mac. Fake with the niggas coming back to the wreck. Late to the game that I watch no back. Walk straight through, don't ask, don't shoot. Run real soon, no cash, no loot.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little edit that I just did. Now I'm going to try and actually open up the car, because I've just recorded that just now, and open up the side of the car where the fuse box is and see what I can find. Have a look at the actual fuses themselves. We'll open up the fuse box on mine. It's piss easy, you just got to take this whole side panel off, which I should have some sort of should have some interior panel things. Yeah, I do here. So if you have something like this, it's plastic, so obviously it won't break it. If you try and yank it off, it won't break it pretty much. That's the idea. That's really easy. This is the fuse we want. That's what I've created. None of them look blown. It seems fine. Unless the gauge itself is broken. All the fuses in there are fine. No idea. I've decided I'm going to take off all this carbon fibre wrap that I've got on this side and that side. And I'm going to just respray it black like I've done with this stuff. And this centre console here, that handle, and that handle. And eventually I'm going to do the whole centre console in black and the whole dash. Either in black or send it to a company to get it suede done or something like that. I don't really like this plastic. It don't really look very good, especially this cream stuff on the side. Eventually I'm going to take all this off and change it out for black ones. Another Cupra has a black headliner that I could probably steal from a graveyard, from a scrapyard. So, earlier on I was saying I was going to tell you guys about my plans for this car. Pretty much the few things that I'm waiting for in the mail. 2 things are to do with wiring, and one of them is a rear tow strap type thing. I'm going to have to make some sort of custom bracket for that to be able to fit on, but it's a blue one, so it should stand out quite a bit from the rest of the car. It should look pretty good. And I plan to make it an actual usable one, because, like, you know, the front one that I've done is an actual usable one. Most people just sort of tie wrap them to the bumper, which I think is kind of shit and a bit stupid, because if AA comes up, and they're trying to tow you, and you don't tell them that that's not a real tow strap, they're just gonna rip your bumper apart. But my front one's actually got a custom, like, I made basically the original tow eye that comes in the car in the boot. I cut it, drilled it through the middle, and then tapped it, and then bolted the tow strap to that. So it is actually, and then I screwed the tow eye into the car again. So it is actually linked to the actual tow eye of the car. So if you wanted to tow me by that, you could. I'm never going to need towing because it's a fucking beast. And I also want a rear one because I just think they look pretty cool. And if it's usable as well, then I don't really see the problem with it. This is the only 12-volt cigarette lighter thing in the car. So this is the only way I can get power to anything. There's not one in the back. And this one's actually dodgy, so if you plug 2 into it, it turns off. Like, not the car doesn't turn off, but the socket turns off. So what I'm going to do is put a bigger fuse in it, get a splitter sort of, so it comes out as 3, and extend one of them, and it's going to go under the carpet, and I'm going to drill a circle in the back panel somewhere, and there's going to be, or maybe in there actually. Well, that's a good idea. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. I'm not 100% decided, but somewhere in the back of the car, there's going to be another cigarette lighter charger thing for people with phones. I also plan to upgrade the front door speakers, and then the front door speakers that are in currently can go in the back, which will upgrade the backs as well. Possibly a sub in the future. And also I would like a Cupra interior, because that's all black and the headline is sort of cream in this. I'm just not a massive fan of it. There we go, that looks cleaner, doesn't it? I don't know why I put this on in the first place. Oh, some more there as well. So basically, anything that I did have wrapped in carbon fibre, I'm going to respray it black. I don't have any paint with me now, but I might go to Halfords. Might wait till next weekend, because next weekend I've got a car meet that's really far away. It's like 2-3 hours away. It's Extreme Speeds car meet. So I might wait till after that's gone and then do it, just so if I mess up it still looks good for the car meet. So I'm going to do it after the car meet, so then if I mess up I have time to fix it and stuff. I also need to, I've resprayed this black here, but my phone mount is catching on it and it keeps rubbing the back there, so bits come off there and there because it rubs on it like that when I'm driving around corners, because I don't know, just G-forces and shit I guess. I've also got a bit of carbon fibre wrap on this. So that can get wrapped, that can get resprayed black. I need to take those off that side as well. And then that's pretty much it.